Hi everyone, Jack Varley, business manager at NIKKEN here. Just wanted to do a quick video. I'm at the showroom of the new CNC260P. Now it's replacing the old CNC260 and it has around 2.4 times the comping torque of the old model. It does this as well without the need of hydraulic oil. So we've got a mechanical booster in there and it's completely pneumatic. We're still able to achieve 1430 Newton meters of comping torque, all with just an air feed in there, standard air feed. So why is this important? Firstly, you don't need a separate hydraulic tank, you're going to be saving money. Secondly, sustainability. You don't need any oil, there's going to be no waste oil at the end after a few years of usage. If you want to see it in action, come and see us, book a demonstration. You can do this, drop us a message or visit the website. We'll be happy to put a demonstration on for you. Thank you.